Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand for this one, the chip warmers. And let me give you the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is about like a 27 inches wide. And the height of the unit is about like a 37.5 inches tall. And depth of the units will be 29.5 inches deep. So we can see the front, they have two open doors at top of the units. You can open it and also have access sheets at the bottoms from here. And when you see the inner side, they also made by stainless steel, easy for cleans. And here is for the air fans to give in the heat. Let me give the dimensions for the inner side. For this unit will be 22 inches deep and 24 inches wide. For the accessing inches, it's about like a 30.5 inches tall. The units have two handlebars, so let me turn around to see the back. When we look at back of the units, we can see the fan working this area and have the sticker informations from the product manufacturers. And also we're having the standard, the 110 plugs right here, and also having the temperature levels from 1 to 9. And they have an indicator switches right here, has a green light to show you the machine is running. And this will be all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.